morning. Oh God. Oh, okay, wait. There we go. What to say? Didn't make sense. A lot of my stuff was gone. $6.54. Pretty big gap to fill. So 729 is maybe possible level here on this. 703s. Might be too much of a drawdown for me. Yeah, I don't like how it's doing that and rejecting off that key. I don't like that it's already there, so that's okay. I cut my position for that. First bad trade of the day. What the hell? Feels kind of scary today. AMD looks like it wants to fall here. Costco also kind of looks like it wants to fall. Apple has a nice pump. Maybe we get a nice recovery on Apple today, so Nvidia looks pretty good too. Microsoft on a bounce level. Yeah, we'll see what happens today. I want to take this. Yeah, I'm going to take it. I don't want to be scared. Great stop order there. Proper stop loss. I'm going to aim for shoulder here. So I'll sell one limit at 724. It's right here. 720 280s. Okay. Got 725s, an order on 725s, really big order on 725s, and one on 650s. So I think possible to hit 725s first, perhaps, and then hit run for high here, but definitely don't want to get cooked on this. When you can see there's one doji here on the green. Maybe pull back into 729 first to refill the gap. They're kind of ignoring gap fills in a way though, since the overnight session, but this is the first time I've seen like a descending pennant. First time I've seen a descending pennant here. I think we're good. I think we are in a good place here. I'm gonna put a stop at the low here, in case I'm wrong, but I think we're in a good place. Just a feeling. 925 was a little bit of a bounce too. And we also broke out too on the 1 minute, which tells me they want to retest some sort of liquidity up here. I think. Yeah. 729s. 729s is a target in my mind. 729s. That's what I think. We're riding the 13 moving average here as well. We did break it below it before, but this one right here is a 13 moving average bounce. So we got some buyers here. I want to see a retrace of the sell. Pump the news and then dump on what? The fuck? All right, I got filled on that before I got filled before it even happened. What was that delayed? Another delay right there. That is crazy to me. So I got filled on that before it even happened. Right? That doesn't make sense to me, but sure. 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 What the fuck was that? Let's see what James saying. Hello.
How's it going?
Yo, dude. I just jumped in long, right? And my order filled on like daytraders.com, like the day traders website. It filled,
Bro.
and it filled before it even moved there.
Why are you still using it?
I already honestly, I just have it. That's why I blew up the other evaluation, but yeah, dude, I took a long, and it filled, and then literally, like I'm watching it, and then 15 seconds later, then it moves to the it's such a big delay, bro. I don't even know what to tell you, man.
Sketchy.
That's so sketchy, dude. Yeah, like, how was your weekend, man?
It's good. It's good, dude. It's very chill. We just kind of stayed home. Girlfriend's working 7 days straight this week, so
That's crazy.
yeah.
That's actually
like 12 hours a day too.
That's actually fucked, bro.
So we just kind of hung out, did some shit.
Did she get paid? Does she get paid like salary, or is it like
No, it's daily rates.
Oh.
Yeah.
So
She's not
They pay her by the day kind of thing.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, I see. Yeah, it looks like they're pumping it before they.
I think they're gonna try and take this lower. We're right at yesterday's IV low, like right here. So I want to see if that kind of holds up as a resistance
I think this might be a trap.
for the longs.
For the short sellers actually.
Interesting.
Yeah, there was a buyer confirmation on that long. Buyer confirmation. Because if you look at the 45-minute, it has a pattern of the descending like a descending pennant on the 45-minute chart, and usually those have like a very low win rate, yeah, like a low continuation to the downside. Usually, it's like a descending pennant.
Interesting.
Yeah, those have low probability continuations in the direction that it usually drops under. So I think we might actually move all the way back up to the high of day from yesterday.
That'd be a crazy push up.
Yeah, I think they would do that before like Powell or something like that. That's what I'm thinking, dude. Like I can tell there's a delay again. There's definitely a delay. Yeah, this thing's on a delay of 1 minute, bro. On a delay again.
Jeez.
Yeah, right after market opens, there's a delay on it. Doesn't make sense.
It sounds just like a shitty platform.
Yeah, it really is. It really is, man. So look, we're already 74 points up. You can see how they're pumping it, right?
Dude, that's nuts.
Yeah, there's 3 gaps on the 45-minute chart, so 3 gaps to the upside. 3 whole gaps. Did you lock out last night?
I didn't, but I didn't take any trades.
That's good. I just like locked out instantly. Lockout feature's been weird lately.
Well, I haven't noticed anything weird, but
Every time I hit the lockout button, it's like it was giving me like bro, everything's lagging. Like it gave me like an absurd like lockout time, and then I had to lock it out again.
That's weird.
Yeah. Okay, that was a nice bounce, eh?
That was like a crazy rip.
Yeah, it really was. Like, look at the whole overnight market. It was just trending down, and then all of a sudden, they just ramped it up like 70 points. You see, like, they know something, right? These guys know something.
Or it's just like a rinse, you know?
Yeah. I think they wished the shit out of everybody. I think they potentially hit 2200s today.
Maybe. I kind of thought they might try and do the gap close to the long side. That would be juicy.
Yeah, it would. Like, you just have to strike maybe like 1 or 2 longs here. And just let it ride, because like, to me, like 45-minute chart is playing that stupid descending pennant, has like a very shitty percentage on like the downtrends, and usually bounces off of them too. So like, and we're inside the first gap right now on 45. So we're just right between 774s and 790s. So it has to close above 790s by 9:45.
I wonder if we do go all the way for the gap close.
It could. Like, it didn't.
Yeah,
It doesn't make sense that
these
these gaps are weird. You know what I mean? These gaps are weird as fuck.
Dude. Yeah, we're just going like straight up.
Yeah. I kind of regret selling my position though, like putting a sell limit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. It's a delay again. I swear to you, like there's something wrong with their platform. What the hell is this crap? Look, there's another delay. These guys need to fix my issue. I'm gonna message these nerds. most annoying like feed. Pop, pop. I'm not gonna look at that delayed stuff though. Screw that. I gotta turn off like my volume here for that. Okay, the shorts are kind of bleeding out a little bit here.
A little bit.
Yeah, but I don't trust it yet.
I don't trust it either.
Yeah, that pump.
We're getting so close to the gap fill that
I don't see why they wouldn't fill the whole thing.
kind of looks like that, but who knows, obviously.
That 1 minute rejection candle. I think because of Powell, I think we might see something here, bro. I think they might reject here.
Maybe.
Yeah. That 1 minute candle looks off, bro. Doesn't
They're
look
gonna.
right.
I mean, my guess is they want to rinse all the shorts from overnight.
Yeah.
And how are they gonna do that? They're just gonna run it up. They didn't do the gap close yesterday, so they're gonna try and push for it today.
Look how many buying candles there are. That's crazy. It's a crazy amount of buying candles, bro. Just buy.
It's only 40 points to the regular hour gap close.
Yo, it's so thin, bro. Yeah, it's super thin. Super thin. So it's both, it's very thin both ways. 840s, there's an 840 like most like volume of short sellers at 840s. I think this is a pullback for shorts, bro. I'm in shorts. I think this is a pullback for shorts, bro. This might actually just be a fake out, a big one. I hope it follows through here. This feels wrong. It just feels so wrong to me watching how thin this is.
The VWAP is flattening out a little bit.
Yeah. VWAP is flat. The 105 moving average is at 720s. They just broke through the 13 moving average. The 2 1 minute wicks that I see here, and then the one red engulfing, it just seems super thin to me. I think we might get a pullback here somewhere. I'm not sure where, but it's coming.
I don't know, man.
You know what they do that quite often, where they pump the opens before, like if it's like this, you know, it just doesn't seem right to me. It seems super thin, super duper thin.
Yeah, but it's also like creating a bit of a bull flag, like that move up, and then we're getting a bit of a trend line.
Yeah. But don't fall for it. It's like I'm looking at the orders. It's thin, super thin. Yeah, this could be a big fader, bro. I would laugh.
Dakota's in there short with you.
Yeah. We'll see how it goes though, for real.
We just got to touch.
Yeah, look at that second candle right after, like the first one closed green there, and it's instantly red. It's manipulation maybe. You see, just looks like manipulation to me. I might take a short here.
I think there's gonna be a lot of short sellers that get fucked.
Where's your average right now? Did you jump or no?
I'm out. I'm not hitting anything right now.
Okay. Powell's talking in literally 15 minutes.
Yeah.
We got a big order on 650 and one on 800s here. So there's an 800s order. It's 167 lots on 800. And then on the downside, 750 has 124, and then 650 has 252. And then 725 has 108. So it's like we have about 500, 600 lots on the downside, and then there's only 157 lots on the upside.
Interesting.
Yeah, I think it's thin enough here for me to try a short. I'm gonna in a short here. I'm gonna jump in. Fucking go for it here. Yeah.
This is a potential trend line breakout if this candle holds.
I just jumped out. Bit of a bull flag there. Yeah.
The 15 minutes will close in a minute, and it's like a very solidly strong candle.
Yeah, I like that 1 minute candle.
That will typically result in.
Yeah, I like this 1 minute candle. Like, not 1 minute. What the fuck am I tripping on? I kind of like this 5-minute candle, but it just tells me that we got like a. I'll wait for this 1 minute to strike and see how it moves here.
I think the high will be broken here.
Hey, don't hate.
It does the same thing.
Don't hate. My keyboard is just more advanced than your keyboard, okay? It's got the mechanical switches and shit.
Yeah, my brother has the same one, and it's like he's fucking punching on a typewriter, and it's fucking annoying to listen to.
Morning, Kevin. Morning. How are you doing, man? Yeah. Okay. I think very still. I kind of want to say this close was right above on the 45 minutes, so we're trending higher. This is trending higher. I'm in longs. Yeah, I'm in longs here.
Yeah, I think the high day will get taken out here.
I think over 800s here on this. Over 800s would be nice. Over 800s.
I'm looking for like a gap close around 821, potentially.
Give me a fucking pop here. I'm looking at the 45 minute. We closed bullish, right? So that's kind of like my go-to answer here. Right? That close was so strong on the 45, man. I don't see why we wouldn't just run it back up here in a second. Give me another push here, guys. Right above 800s. Fill those orders, and then basically I'm gonna exit right away. Come on, give me a fucking pump here, bud. Holy shit, you're not gonna do it. They're actually gonna run it short, bro.
Hold it for a sec.
Yeah. Don't get faked out. Stop loss 67, 767.
I would be quite shocked if that was the high day.
Yeah. After like what they just pulled, like that whole stunt. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, this looks like a fair value gap type of play now, man. Really on the short side heavies, for real. Double top without the breakthrough. Yeah, we're out of this shit, man. I just took another loss there. Yeah, we're going back to VWAP, bro. I don't know, man.
Just I want to let it play out.
My trading's alright. My trading could be better, honestly. Yeah. I feel like it's a little bit of a tough game today, so I don't want to get caught in anything with like bullshit.
Close. We got close up to that high.
My trading's alright, you know, it's not that great right now, but it is in a good spot at the moment. Maybe 8 10s, huh? Yeah, I know. I keep jumping in and out of this trade, right? It's like slowly grinding higher.
Okay, let's take a look at the market. Look this guy on. First, Nvidia.
I mean, like a lot of the stocks right now are like kind of like on the downside right now, which makes me believe that like we might get like a little bounce. I think this might have been the bounce in the morning, to be honest with you.
Nvidia is kind of cruising higher.
Yeah,
I
need it to crack.
Kind of looks like it's in a bull flag.
It is. It does look like it's in a bull flag, but everyone's thinking that, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, but the follow through is like from the stocks too. So if they are in actual bull flags, those are likely to follow through.
Yeah, we're not going. We're definitely not, bro.
Yeah. Kind of for break even.
I'm going shorts here. I'm gonna look for 760s, 770s, maybe 760s here. Wick. It could be a gap retest down here somewhere. 760s. I think 760s.
I'll take a little short through there. I know.
Just watching it break this gap here on the 1 minute, and we're gonna get a big fade here with what's his face? What's his name? Dakota? Yeah. Yeah. Drop it.
I'm in a short looking for 770.
Yeah, me too. 770s. I might actually go much lower than that. Maybe 760s, bro, for me. Up in 10 minutes.
I'm still like very skeptical about this.
Yeah, me too. This delay is killing me, to be honest with you. This fucking delay on the day traders platform is actually stressing the shit out of me. I might actually, to be honest with you, if I blow up this if I blow up this account, I'm not gonna fucking trade with them anymore. I'm done with it. Cause it's just
shocked that you're still trading with them now.
Yeah, I'm shocked too that I'm trading with them right now, but it's just ridiculous, bro. Like I can't. You know what I mean?
It's like is borderline just tilting on its own.
It is. So. That's what I'm saying. Like I don't want to deal with these delays anymore, man. I don't even care if I blow this shit up. I fucking already like paid for the thing and everything, but hell, bro, like I'm not playing games with these guys today. All right. I want to see a fade out here. Come on, walk it down, bud. Like 760s, because yeah, 760s. I would give it 760s probably. Give myself a chance. Nice old chance. Little dip here. Right into it. Come on, guys. He's gonna say something like, "Good morning," or accidentally say something stupid.
Good morning. You said that exactly like him. It's crazy.
He's gonna go up like 50 points. Right? Looks like it's breaking out.
Could be.
Yeah, you know what?
Full flagging a bit.
I don't want to fucking play against this guy. I'm done with this platform, bro. I'm done with the platform for real. That's a bull flag breakout here. Watching it for a breakout. There it is. Just watching the flag breakout here. Alright. Kinda want to see a continuation here. Good morning, Kutan. How are you? Yeah, you know what? I don't really get these guys, man. Day traders platform. Decided. Okay, I said right here. Yeah, honestly, can I just get a refund? Yesterday I decided not to take a refund, but I regret that so much now. Like 100%. This is way too unreliable. And for the sake of the firm, I won't write a bad review if I get this. If I get this refund, please. 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 Yo. I don't even care about this platform anymore, you know? Like, give me my fucking refund, bro. I'm gonna charge back. Actually, I'm gonna charge it all back, bro. Like, I can't. That's it. I'm done. I'm closing off this fucking day trader bullshit. Nah, no way. Man. I'm done with it. Yo, like, I'm actually done with it. All right, top step it is.
Yeah. Thank heavens.
Thank heavens, man. That delay stressed the crap out of me.
Killing me with this bullshit.
I know. Morning, guys. Morning. How are you guys all doing? How was your weekend? How was your weekend?
Okay, interesting. You finally put in potentially a bearish 1 minute fair value gap. We'll see how this 1 minute candle closes. But if that's the case, I will use the inversion of that to go long. If we get it.
Yeah. This is a short, bro. That's a fake breakout.
I'm in shorts from 88. I'm looking for 65.
88. That's a good one. Yeah, I'm in shorts too with you, man. I hope we don't get Powell slammed here. You know what I mean?
I don't know if it's gonna last long. Like that was the VWAP touch, and it could be done.
Yeah, this pullback ripping, bro.
I think we might get a little bit of a move lower. Let's see.
Oh, shit. I don't like that, bro. That wick just means that they covered, they held that. I am gonna take this loss, man. Yeah.
I'm not break even on that.
Yeah. Let's just wait. Let's just wait. You know. Let's just fucking wait until Powell's like actually talking.
Yeah. Well, hold on. I might be going long right here.
I'm gonna wait till he actually talks because you never know the direction of the market when he speaks. You know.
True. 4 minutes.
Yeah.
Fair.
Yo, if you jump in too much sides, we're gonna get caught. So I'm just gonna hold back and let the trade come to me. You know.
I'm in a long. I like that inversion of the fair value gap on the 1 minute. Sellers came in, they got rejected.
I'm gonna look at Bookmap. Really big order on 750s. Really big order.
Yeah. 750s. Yeah. That would be a nice pullback.
Yeah, that's VWAP for me apparently. So that's like right under VWAP. Yeah. playing games, man. Yeah.
Games.
Trump is talking today too, man. You know that?
Get fucked.
Yeah. They're actually not like they haven't mentioned anything. They haven't said what when he's gonna talk and everything. So kind of concerning, right?
A little bit. Yeah.
Yeah. Just
Can't be afraid of the market.
like, these people can't say like after the 800s got filled, like immediately 812.50s opened up. Maybe the 750s order is a spoof. I don't know. It could just be there. Yeah, and then they closed the orders on 725s as well. So they had them open and then they closed it.
Interesting.
Yeah, I don't know what they're doing, man. They have more filled orders around 838 here. So they got like all the filled orders there, but then a bunch of longs jumped in around 800, so they just got trapped here. Yeah, it looks like a follow through. Yeah. This would be a crazy dump. Good morning. All right, 10 a.m. Okay. All right. Okay, there's the pump. And what are they gonna do? Dakota?
Yeah.
I'm out.
I'm out.
Yeah. All right, Dakota. Dakota got stopped out there, and then something's up here, bro. Yeah, I don't like that.
Weakens where inflation falls more quickly than expected. He also is saying here we can maintain policy restraint for longer if the economy remains strong and inflation does not move towards 2%. Basically, this is what Hammock was saying earlier. I think he sort of took his thunder this morning. Also, Powell says policy is well positioned to deal with risks. Also talking about that framework review will not include a focus on inflation target, which will remain at 2%. So it seems like too much here. Also, that's what I got here is, and that's it. Talking about he's going to wrap up framework review by late summer. There you have it. So far, thank you, Andre. All right, thanks, Eddie.
I jumped in longs on this. I think we're gonna close. Yeah, we just broke out, so I'm in longs. Stop at the low of the Powell news. To be honest with you, that's gonna be it for me. Yeah.
Okay, finally fucking put up a winner. Thank God. That was brutal. My win percentage today was like 5%. Oh, 11% now. Lovely.
And I'm gonna try to jump in one more long on this dip here. Right back into the consolidation. Yeah. All right. All right, there it is. I added my entry. Let's hope for a breakout here, up to the upside. Yeah. Rather than a fucking breakdown. If this starts flushing, I'm gonna laugh.
The 15-minute is in like a bull flag.
Yeah.
think we make one more move and try to break the news candle high. Otherwise, we're going to take out the low of the news candle.
Looks like they're slowly walking it down here, and I just don't like that now. Man, like they're really playing it tough for us. There's a little gap right here. If it breaks on this gap, I'm not going to play it. Yeah. Retesting the resistance now. Needs to come back up here.
It's 120 Constitution Avenue. It's going to be at 218.
I'd like to see it come back up here. They closed it right above the gap. Okay.
Let's go.
I'm out. That's fucking wild, bro. Yeah.
Looks like we're heading to the news candle low, potentially.
Yeah.
Second question. When's the last time you washed that tie? Yeah. How many purple ties do you have, Mr. Powell? Like donuts. I want to see that company again in Vegas this summer.
It's kind of expanding. Right? Down, up, down, up, and then down. So, Candy King.
I think they take out the news candle low.
Yeah, I think so too. Alright, let's try another order here. And hope I don't get fucked.
Recently released never before seen sign. Let's hold the plugs. Paul gets they show the camera Paul, we need to go to him.
You know, actually, you know what? Like, I'd be stupid not to take longs, to be honest with you, after the fucking morning pump, no? We already showed news, like, what's it called? Like on news, we pumped, and then in the morning, we pumped.
I think it's just not enough people willing to be buyers up here, but potentially.
I think we are gonna fucking go up, bro. We didn't break the level here, right? We haven't created a lower low. I might go another long here. I'm in threes. Let's go for it. 1,600. I think we're gonna come back up, maybe. My stop is at the low of this just pop here. I think we're just gonna come back up. They keep doing it. They're just constantly doing it. They're like not fucking letting it go beyond that. So
maybe, but sellers are strong. I can feel it. They're heavy. Like
yeah, they are
it
heavy.
could just be like a quick like.
You think?
Could be.
Yeah.
Not a ton, but like 10 points, 20 points. And there's unfilled bearish fair value gaps on the 1 minute right now.
Yeah, I know. That makes me kind of like feel concerned, right?
Yeah. Yeah, we're just kind of like waffling.
But I know we're waffling. That's what I'm saying. I fucking hate waffle. I hate that. Come on, pal. Just fucking rip the market upside and then call it a day. No?
Here we go. Here we go.
Tell you what. Current rate 79%.
We just cracked. All right. You know what?
Okay. I took. Okay. Are we gonna reject there?
Yeah, we haven't broke the low yet, right?
Maybe.
Yeah, I don't think we're going fucking lower, bro. There is a lot of fair value gaps downside.
Yeah, we just touched one there.
Yeah.
Like this wick off of the 1 minute. That's one. We'll see.
I'm trading like shit today, bro. Honestly.
That I'm not my best user right now.
Actually trading like a fucking autist. Yeah.
I'm kind of long. I'm feeling maybe even a settlement touch. 845s.
I ain't fighting these longs, bro. Yeah. They are encapsulating. They're getting all those sellers to think here. You know? If this cracks here, I think we're running. Yeah, I think
Close above 799. I'm gonna take a long. Targeting like 845, I think.
I'm gonna aim for 2K on this trade. 100 points up, seriously. Yeah, look at that. They just rejected the break of the low. All right, all the way back to the highs. Jeez, man, that would be crazy. You know, I actually wouldn't be shocked at this point.
Our target is 845. Oh, that rejection was off of a 1 minute fair value gap. I wonder if
this is a pullback. All right.
I wonder if it's the candles or
Oh, fuck, man, so annoying today.
Myself and the top 15 team have had we've missed your analysis on the 10 years, sir. Yeah. I don't even know what's going on anymore. I didn't know bonds existed. I'm Jackson.
I don't know what's going on.
I think so.
True, right? Kind of true in a way. Look how choppy the market is, but the old market is technically trending down. We got a lot of gaps on the down. I'm stupid, bro. I don't give a shit, man. I'm actually dumb.
smoking, bro.
I'm actually smoking. Like, I must be smoking. We're clearly going higher. We haven't broken it. We haven't broken the low. We're closing higher highs constantly. You know what I mean? It's just here. This might be my long entry, bro. Yeah.
I would.
This is it. This is it, bro. This is where I blow up. My Top Step account.
I love the optimism.
Yeah. Hey, you know what they say? Optimism is what wins trading, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. A lot of work into this account just to blow it up sucks, bro.
And don't chill.
No, I'm already it's already like $400. Like I'm basically $400 around the corner of blowing up.
That's still plenty, man.
Yeah. This trade's actually going well right now, but I'm basically long and I'm just holding it for a 50-point move up because I fucking don't like doubt that buyers are stronger here.
I don't
doubt it. Yeah, I don't doubt it because it's like that 45-minute candle was big. We obviously came for a rejection because like we're looking at the gap on the 45-minute, right? But
the sellers. Here's the thing, though. Okay. Oh, we got it. Okay. I'm gonna add to that.
I hope that's.
We're still inside of the news candle.
Yeah, we close. We're actually above the other gap now. which is a good thing, right?
Yeah, we did close that 1 minute fair value gap, which is good.
Yep. We closed the other fair value gap. This one's a pullback.
No, I'm not 100% on TBH.
I'm gonna add one more here. I added one more to that.
Yeah, I'm
And
both wrong. I have my stop at 766 and my TP at 845.
I'm going for the high on this candle here. The news candle.
820s?
Yep, we're gonna retrace that first. 820s, potentially above it. And then we're gonna come back down maybe. Like a little squeeze. Just a little squeeze, you know, small one. Small squeeze, you know, no problem.
I want to see the volume when we do break either side of that news candle.
Alright, I'm jumping out. There's some weird fucking activity going on here. Right? These guys are fucking with us, bro. I'm not even joking. They are definitely messing with us today.
Yeah, we're kind of consolidating.
You know that 1 minute fair value gap you were talking about? It's just like sitting underneath that, you know? It's not breaking below it. Or like above it.
That candle at 1012, that did close above it.
Oh, this close was good. I'm in long on that. Yeah.
Still holding.
Yeah. I think we're going for the high here. Let's see if it push right here to the 20s maybe. I'd like to see. I like that long. Bruh.
I got for a feature release, so definitely check that out.
Okay, Jerome.
Alright, Jerome. Jerome, come on. Show me
Tangibles appears to have declined in the fourth quarter.
Oh,
Solid for the year overall.
good morning.
Following weakness in just higher activity in the housing sector seems to have stabilized. In the labor market, conditions remain solid and appear to have stabilized.
Bullish news? Must be bearish, right?
89,000 per month over the past 4 months. Following earlier increases, the unemployment rate has been steady now since the middle of last year, and at 4%.
Come on, Jerome. Come on, Daddy.
Nominal wage growth has eased over the past year, and the jobs to workers gap has narrowed. Overall, a wide set of indicators suggest that conditions in the labor market are broadly in balance.
Uh-oh.
The labor market is not a source of significant inflationary pressures. Strong labor market conditions in recent years have helped narrow long-standing disparities in employment and earnings across demographic groups. Inflation has eased significantly over the past 2 years, but remains somewhat elevated relative to our 2% longer-term goal. PCE prices rose 2.6% over the 12 months ending in December, and excluding the volatile food and energy categories, core PCE prices rose 2.8%. Longer-term inflation expectations appear to remain well anchored, as reflected in a broad range of surveys, households, businesses, and forecasters, as well as measures from financial markets. Our monetary policy actions are guided by our dual mandate to promote maximum employment and stable prices for the American people. Since last September, the FOMC lowered the policy rate by a full percentage point from its peak, after having maintained the target range for the federal funds rate at 5.25% to 5.5% for 14 months. That recalibration of our policy stance was appropriate in light of the progress on inflation and the cooling in the labor market. Meanwhile, we've continued to reduce our securities holdings. With our policy stance now significantly less restrictive than it.
What's your advice on trading, pal? It's hard to trade, but it's start moving.
We don't need to be in a hurry to adjust policy stance. We know that reducing policy restraint too fast will
Took my long off for like $80.
Not a bad long. I am going to take my chances and think that's going to pull back here maybe.
Just wait for the breakout of the news candle. If you're going to take a pullback, short it. from the break of that high, because that's also going to be the gap fill flows from yesterday.
Let's take a look at the liquidity here. It's all over the place, bro.
Page 21.
Shit's all over the place today. They don't know how to pick the direction today, so I think they're here. They're gonna run the high here, and then they might take it down, maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah. Look at that 1 minute flag though, bull flag. It's like grinding the 13 moving average like it wants to fucking run hard. Like a few days back where it ran like literally 60 points up or some shit.
True that.
Yeah.
We'll see.
I'm gonna wait for this pullback to see if this is the last one. And I'm gonna jump
Yeah,
in the
because
ship.
it's chopping. It's chopping.
Chopping upward though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I hope we don't get like a flush candle on this. It would be fucking terrible. That would kill my confidence a little bit. Yeah. Things change quickly with this dude. Alright, so looks heavy, right?
Yeah, but I'd be shocked if we don't see like 821, to be honest. I put on a long with 1-to-1.
I'm looking at 2 minute chart right now. Let's see how heavy this is. 3 minute we closed right at the double top area, and we retraced almost the whole move on the 3 minute chart. This is the second time it's broken above the range. I'm hungry now. Thinking about this shit. It makes you hungry, man. Yeah. Thanks, Jerome Powell. Oh, God. Might be range trading, bro. I'm taking a short here. I'm gonna look for the low to be retraced again.
It honestly might be the news candle low.
Yep. I'm at I got an order on 670 67.5s here, trying to take a short into that. All right.
Yes, you have admitted that the threshold has been a little higher for banks engaging in activities. Last week,
Yeah.
particular Fed
It's range trading.
certain legal industries and law-abiding citizens for political reasons not tied to safety and soundness. Banking is the top priority for this committee. It certainly is for me.
Powell stresses me out, bro.
Will you commit to working with this committee to end deep banking, including working with the new vice chair of supervision once appointed to revise the Federal Reserve's supervision manuals to remove reputational risk as a tool to bring in on political topics? I'm happy to make that commitment. Thank you, sir.
I think they're going to just rip it up here.
Likely, accountability is a priority for everyone, especially the Fed, given that failures in Fed supervision result in a loss of billions. And following the failures of the bank, which was in part due to regulators identifying emergencies and with risks, we have yet to see any regulator.
Come on, let's take out the highs.
All that was my frustration. The guy who spent a lot of time in the private sector, businesses, I can tell you that accountability is a necessary part of making.
I like that higher low.
Healthier.
Yeah.
It looked a bit like a bear trap.
Yeah, I saw sellers in it.
Midpoint of the news candle.
I'm gonna take one long. Yeah, I think that's might be a trap here for sellers. Yeah.
I think we come up to 821.
Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, I'm in longs too. I think the same here.
Gonna move my stops up.
Yeah, there it is. Nice shot, bro. I'm gonna hold this one. on the breakout because we just printed a higher low right on top of the consolidation. We're breaking out. We had short sellers jump in here. We had short sellers jump on the left hand. So if it breaks the high here, I think we shoot up.
I'm not trusting it. I want to see the reaction to the break. If we like push up and then retest the high of the news candle, I'll long that.
Look at 40s. I think 40s, man.
Yeah, I think 46 could play, but I don't think it's going to go straight from 820 to 846.
No?
It might, but
Alright, so looks like there's fucking resistance here again, bro. Oh god.
Basic Reddit water banking or Reddit price.
Longs for sure. Yep. Longs for sure. I want to see it break here for 40s. At least 40s, right? Give me a 40, guys. 40s. Just ride the wave. Come on.
The idea here is that
There's a big boner candle, please.
a little bit of a trend to the upside barely. Also showing a little bit of weakness here in the highs.
Run it, fuckers. Run it.
Ran 7 points. Thought I was gonna get some fulfilled to break even.
Don't be a bitch, please.
$10.
Bitch, please.
Break even top, but just kind of looking for like a rotation back into the US.
Is that trades by Matt?
Yeah.
You're watching him too? Yeah, they're just taking too long, bro. It's just some animosity here. Like a lot of people are scared to jump in.
Yeah.
I'm scared to jump.
The longer we wait, the bigger the breakout is typically.
Yeah.
So,
We might not even break out. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna break out. You know, it's just something here, man. It's just I can't put my finger on it. It's just
wicks get run.
yeah, wicks get runned. The more wicks, the better, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, the more wicks, the better. Like, all right, I like that. I'm in a lot here. I like this wick pullback here, and I like how like it's looking now. I like it. Juice it, guys. Come on.
It could be this candle right here.
Breaks it? Yeah. If this runs it, it's gonna fling. It's gonna rip straight up. Oh yeah.
I'm out.
Really?
Yeah. That was quick 150. I'll take my. I'm not trying.
I'm
to
still
hold
holding.
ours
I'm still
right
holding.
now.
I'm gonna hold my last one here. I'm gonna let this one run because we just broke out of a really big consolidation, and I hope that it's not fake, but this kind of feels real to me, so I'm gonna go for it a little bit more.
Let's see if we hold.
I think I'm gonna aim for the 40s that we were looking at earlier. That's what I want to see. 40s here. I think 40s maybe. I'm gonna trail it too.
I like that, but
No, it's just a breakout retest here. A little retest, just a retest. Fill the gap, right? Come on. I see the accumulation on the buyers too, bro. This is it.
Yeah, that's a good test. I like that test of the news candle.
Yeah.
If we close inside of it though, I don't like that.
Yeah. I want to see it just tap it and turn, tap and turn.
Tap and turn, or just like close above with a wick below it.
Bro, what is up with this wall, bro? This is a wall of China or some shit here. China. What the hell, bro? Like I'm out. I can't. That was a good trade for you though. Yeah.
Yeah, I took a small loss too on that.
On the chop.
Yeah, I tried to get another. Okay, we might. Fuck, are we gonna get that now?
All right, so I messaged day traders and they said nah. They said nah. That's messed up, bro. That's crazy to me.
Answer to my question, please.
All right.
If CPP is not there,
Show me a pop here. Daddy Powell, 840s.
criminals are not cheating doing that job. No one. In other words. So
840s. Another push.
Wall Street banks will have to show.
You say Wall Street baddies?
Wall Street banks.
Oh.
Like happened with Wells Fargo. Or charging illegal junk fees like the bank.
830s here, probably.
CFPB
Yeah, I took a long from 22 for 846. That settlement. I think
That's a
that
nice
plays.
one. Yeah. That was a good one too. You know, I might just lock my account out here, eh?
Yeah, how are you doing on it?
425.
Up?
No, down.
Down?
Yeah.
That's not bad.
It's a big recovery. Yeah, like a big chunk, right?
What were you down before? You said you had like 400 bucks left.
Bro, I was like down 1600.
Oh, so you covered like 1200?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, I would lock it out or set your trailing loss limit.
Oh, here it is, man. That's the pump. All right. With that volume, I ask myself, do I take long?
No, that's settlement right there. If anything, I might be looking short now. But now we have that big one. Like depending on how this candle closes on the 1 minute, we're gonna get a gap.
No, look at that. How they increased the volume on that buying, bro. That's increased volume buying.
I think that was just manipulation up to settlement. To be honest.
You think?
Yeah.
No, because it's gradually increasing. It's not like you're supposed to buy into a gradually increasing trend, and then afterwards, when it starts decreasing, you want to get out. That's usually what they do. But I don't know. It's kind of pathetic what I'm fucking looking at. Yeah.
Savage. Yeah. I'm looking at this. That big one. Shit. IB high just set.
Yeah.
I'm gonna short this. I'm gonna short it with IB high as my stop. If that 1 minute candle fair value gap from 1028 gets filled, I'm gonna add more to the short. That could be, there's a chance that we retrace this whole move today. If we get this.
All right, I'm up money on my day trader account.
Not like it matters.
Yeah, not like it matters, but I mean, like, I guess that's a win in my books. Yeah.
You should just make money and be like, you know what? Give me my money back and I won't take a pair and we'll call it even.
That's funny. That's jokes, man. Look at that double doji. They're not filling the gap here, bro.
It looks like a breakout.
Yeah.
IB.
Yeah.
I don't like the.
Don't get cooked, eh? We just broke out of like literally a range where they've been trading sideways for almost an hour. You know.
No, it was one micro, $20.
That's good. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's fine. Like that's fine that you took smaller size actually.
Because I'm going very counter trend. I recognize that. So.
Oh, yo, the 45-minute just closed a really fat candle right after the first one. So that tells me we're gonna like get another rally. So we might push the high.
Interesting.
Yeah.
But we did just this candle, this 1 minute just set a new.
I think we're gonna break the highs, bro. I'm gonna 880s, eh? Like 880s would be ideal to pop off of here. I might.
Today, honestly, is giving me failed upside option vibes.
It is, but it's only going up after the breakout.
825. If we can close below that.
Yeah, maybe they. There's no orders up there though, which you mean that to me means they don't have no liquidity upside, right? Maybe.
Which obviously that could get tilty.
2200 has an order.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just went like the nasdaq just went flat on the day.
Yeah, just
well, slightly down.
Oh. Man, I trust the 45-minute candle bar thesis though here. You know, the 45-minute usually closes green after the second bar too.
Interesting.
Yeah. Usually there's three candles of 45 minutes that close green. Right? Not two candles usually.
Sorry, just give me 1 sec.
All good, man.
We're printing. Interesting. Depending on how we close here, we could have a fair value gap on the 15-minute as well. But we're kind of rejecting that gap on the 1 minute.
Yeah.
So far, we're staying out of it.
Yeah, we are.
Rejecting it.
Look at the 45 minutes. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, so far we're out of it. But look at how the other one closed. It closed above the other fair value gap at 832.50s. We closed above it. So this is still continuing bull trend until we close under it.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
I actually just took a long from inside of that 1 minute gap with yesterday's volume point of control at 867 as a target.
We also did just fill the gap too, on the 45 technically.
Yeah, we
That's
did.
That's another concern. No.
However, if you look at the 15-minute, the previous, depending on how we close on this 15-minute, we could create the first fair value gap of the day on
True.
the 15-minute.
True. We just closed it on the 15 minutes, so
I think they might hold it up here. They might try and validate this 1 minute fair value gap.
but there's no fucking gaps upside, eh? There's none.
No, the only levels I have are yesterday's IB high and yesterday's high, which aren't actually that far away.
The only fair value gap that I see on the 15 minute on the upside after they're all filled already is 164. So 22,164.
22,164.
Yeah. That's the only gap that is on the left-hand side on the 15 minute. So they would have to fill it all the way back up there. Kind of just... I don't know, man. I don't know.
I think we could get another bullish leg up here.
I believe it. I actually believe that. It's I don't doubt it.
We haven't been able to close anything above IB high.
No. And we've been going higher.
Yeah. But to me, that's long. The fact that we did pierce it. But the fact that we can't hold above it could be a failed upside option. That happens rarely, though, where you only get a few ticks above IB high and then a total reversion. I will take the short if we fill and close the 1 minute gap.
You know that fair value gaps fail during news? I think I remember. Yeah, right. It's the success rate drops significantly on any kind of FOMC news and stuff like that and 10 a.m. news.
Interesting.
Yeah.
That actually makes sense. And from what I understand, 65% of all fair value gaps get filled.
Yeah. But that means that the other 35% don't, right? So there's something. Yeah. I think we might be kind of fooling ourselves here, thinking that it's gonna get filled when we have fucking news. Am I stupid? I didn't even realize that. I must be stupid. I didn't realize that until now.
I'm just going with the trend until the trend changes.
Yeah.
It looks like they are trying to force it lower.
They are. I'll be right back.
But I think, yeah, no worries. There we go. We're rejecting out of that gap.
All right. That 1 minute candle is not bad.
Yeah, we'll see.
Yep. I think I might. I think I may try that. This might be worth it. Jump in here.
Jump in.
Yeah, you know what? I think this is bullish.
That's funny.
Yeah.
Nick for a tick is short, and Trades by Matt was looking for a long.
Oh God.
Interesting. It's so interesting how different people trade and can all make money.
Well.
Okay.
Oh. Okay. All right. That disqualified the longs, no?
No.
Yeah.
No, we still haven't closed below the 1 minute gap. So
Yeah.
as long as we can close it.
We haven't closed below that wick either. We actually closed above that 1 minute gap.
I actually think that we might like pierce through this gap, touch the news candle high, and then revert but close inside or above. Because that's only from the bottom of the gap to the news candle high is only 6 points.
Howell says good morning. Wait, did he say good afternoon? I swear. that second candle just flipped instantly.
Yeah, I'm liking that.
So much bullshit today. I can tell. There's so much BS. Something's up here. What? I would have got wicked out on that if I had longs.
Yeah. No, my stop is
wide.
Yeah.
1 micro, 2? 1, 2,
2.
2. Yeah.
2. My stop is down like 814s ish. It's more of like a disaster stop. I just want to see if we do come down to the news candle high, if we react off of that.
Let's see if we have any news. Forex Factory. President Trump speaks.
Yes.
Bowman speaks. William speaks. Oh my god, man. Trump speaks. Powell testifying. Ah, dude, I don't know. You know what I mean? Like, I just don't know about that, man.
Yeah. America, baby.
America.
Being short is unpatriotic.
That's true. Thanks for reminding me. I just jumped in long.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I'll call you back in like 2 minutes, alright?
Yeah.
Okay. Ciao.
God, guys. I am so tired. Longs, yeah. YM, huh? Let's take a look at Y. Wow. Damn. Yeah. YM, perfect area. The retest around here. Around 585s. Look at that 15-minute close is looking good. I feel like I just don't feel so good about the longs right now. It's very slow, which generally is a good thing if it's super slow. It means that we're just gonna grind all day, probably, potentially. So I might try jumping in longs right here, and then expect no volatile movements. That is gonna kill me. Okay, yeah, 33s to 43s. 4. Really big gap here. It looks like they're rejecting this level here in a bit. That's how it feels like to me. This order block is getting rejected in a way. But it could continue here if it's it closes here. Next candle could close with a dump, maybe. Okay. Alright, I am striking some longs maybe. Second confirmation already in there. Feeling a little bit of fear today, so maybe I just call it a day. $76. It's good.
Not much. This long is playing out nicely.
Yeah, I don't know how far it's gonna go, but I think maybe just high of the day, man. Seriously,
I've got 66s.
it's just the high of overnight, right? Or yesterday's high, like
That would be nice.
876s, right?
866. That's yesterday's volume point of control, so I do expect us to like chop around there a little bit.
876. I think we just end up filling it because there was. I'm looking at that price as well. We did have a lot of short seller volume, but that also means that this is going to be used as fuel. If longs are still holding from before, they could just squeeze it. They might just squeeze it over here. So yeah, I see an order on 70 74s here, 73s. So I would like to see him push right over that. I don't think I want to short this trend at all, though, for real.
I will at some point, but not right now.
You know, after the breakout happened, especially that gap up on the morning, like it just hasn't been going down. You know.
Yeah, facts.
Yeah, like it just has been climbing. It's just like a clutter of short sellers constantly trying to short it, and they're just getting crushed. And I remember like back then, I used to fucking short trends like this and get decimated, bro, because it would just keep going and going and going and going and going. And then at some point, I'll be like, okay, I'm liquidated. You know what I mean?
Right.
Yeah. It would be unfortunate if, you know, I get screwed now, but, you know, like, I'm just going to follow the trend, bro. Watch it. It's going to just fucking shove a candle here to 76s quickly. One more time! Yeah, just don't fucking play with these guys, man. Trust me. You guys are no joke today. Here it is, bro. Here's
66s.
60, 76, bro. 66s, 76s. 76 for sure. Top of value the previous loop before they like the short sellers basically jumped in short around that time on 76s. Yeah. And the volume profile right here is short sellers were breaking above the short 61.50s, which is where short sellers jumped in with volume yesterday. So the fact that we broke over the 61.50s means we just liquidated some of them. And then they could use that as fuel to squeeze here, or they might try to jump back in. But there's the rotation that you're talking about, 66s, right?
Yeah. I was down $600.
Yeah.
Now I'm down 177.
That's not bad. XFA?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I failed the combine, but I have like one of the discounted ones that resets like the 13th or something.
Yeah.
So I do that. I do want to like pass another one so that I have another XFA just kind of in the wings.
No, I get you, man. That's my goal. I kind of want to like pass this XFA, and then I'm gonna buy another one, and I'm just gonna leave the first one alone.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then I'm just gonna what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lock it out like every fucking day.
from a lockout.
Yeah, for like a month.
No, I just mean like trading when you have an extra one just takes some of the edge off.
Yeah,
like,
it does.
It can be a bit more aggressive, and I know that even if I lose the one I'm trading, I have another one.
Yeah. But I'm planning on switching up completely, you know. 1 to 2 micros, so.
I might just be taking a short here.
Don't do it, bro. Just no sideways consolidation yet, man. No point trying to fade the trend. Look at how it's riding the 13 moving average. It's like clean, bro.
Sure.
Yeah. I'm tempted though as well. But I just remember in the back of my mind, fucking fading trends like this, I get fucked 24/7.
True that.
Yeah.
True that. Bing, 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 bing.
Yeah.
Okay, so interesting. Oh, you know what? Okay, I like this. What level is that? Okay.
What does the waffle say?
On the 15 minutes, the gap around like 820s. I like that for a long.
Where? Or
around 820s.
that's a clean level, yeah. 820s. I think that too. Yeah.
The gap on the 15 minute there, yeah.
100%. Yeah. I see it.
If we come down there, I would take a long from there, and that's also, dude, 100%. I almost want to take a short. Coming back to the top of that news candle, I'm gonna flip long. We'll see. Okay, I like that. I actually really like that idea.
All right, let me see that news candle. Came back to retrace it. How many? Or I'll check the orders here. One sec. We have a lot of short sellers on 862.50s, and we have a lot of longs on 88.70s. 887s, I meant to say. So there's a lot of longs trapped above here, and then now the shorts just got trapped here. So anything under 867s, there's like literally a pile of shorts. Right here. Yeah, there's a pile. Yeah, it's pretty fucked, not gonna lie.
Okay, so they pushed up and they touched yesterday's IB high.
Yeah.
And that volume point of control, they're both like right there together. And they kind of rejected. It's a nice rejection.
You know, you're talking about how like 820s might be a possible level. I'm looking at the order book now, right? And they got that fucking manipulation sets of orders at the low here at 775s.
Okay.
Yeah, there's like 3 sets of orders there, all 100 lots, like what they did last time, and it's like literally all like 5 points away from each other.
Interesting.
Yeah, I remember like there was a trend where like it went all the way up, and then basically the short sellers kept on shorting, like piling the short contracts, right? And then eventually like it ended up fading the whole day.
I could see it, honestly.
I think they're doing it again.
Because I think they're gonna invert the gap from like 45 to 50.
Yeah.
I think that gets taken out, and then the 119 to 24 holds.
Anything's possible when Powell's talking.
Okay.
Yeah. So it looks like we're about to reach that 45-minute candle close in 20 minutes. It should close here at 8. It should close around 872s. Yeah.
Okay, let's see if we can close inside of that gap finally.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks like it's selling now.
What happened to fuck your puts?
Honestly, I'm still thinking about taking longs into that. I just don't trust it.
Yeah, I don't know. There's been a huge bullish move with 0 pullbacks, really.
Yeah, but I've seen trends like this bullshit, man. Like I know they're bullshitting here. They're gonna fucking ramp it up again. I'm gonna wait a little bit and then maybe jump in longs again.
There we go. We're selling.
Yeah.
Close.
Okay. I jumped in 4, bro. I jumped in. Yep, I'm gonna jump in longs here.
No.
Yeah.
No. I'm short 3. Stops at the high. Take profit at 819.
This has only happened 4 times in the last 4 decades. 87, 11, 20, 21, but 20% pullbacks. People that did the bear market following those. Well, 1996 just kept the party going until about 2000.
They just closed below the 1-minute gap though. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna go break even, wait for them to retest the gap first. There's like a level at 45s. I want 45s at least. Let's take a look here.
Yeah, that short is playing out nicely.
Introducing your girlfriend to your mom. Hello, Mom. I love my life.
What the hell is it saying?
They're doing the news. Call for Beans Factor. That's good. Her name is Beans Factor. That's her name.
What's the ATR? I need to know the ATR. Let's see what's the ATR. Oh, bro, the ATR is dirt. Actually, dirt. You know what that means, right?
No.
Low ATR means that the chance of you getting stopped out is very unlikely. Little dump. Whoa, what is that? 6 candles like that?
I think we're coming in.
Alright. Looks like they just dropped through that gap too. But hey, you know what they say. If it's dropping, you want to be a buyer. Yeah.
I think 820s will play.
Yeah, you're right. I think 820s.
The short played out super well.
That little gap there, 820s, right? Yeah, you're right. Maybe I'll just wait for that to come first.
Let's see.
Okay.
If we reverse out of this, that would be interesting.
Did someone go long?
No.
Let's see. The tilt is saying 53% short. Someone's 52% long on fucking NQ though. Huh. Yeah, I just don't believe this.
I think we come down to 824s.
Oh, bro, I'm so like dedicated right now. I'm dedicated to take L's today, bro. Let's wait. I'm gonna wait for the 820s, just because you're saying so.
Just change your time frame. You'll find a way.
All right, it cracked through the trend line. Just crack though. Not really like.
Get back down to those 780s, 80s, 790s.
From here, 42s to 52s would be nice.
We are back inside of IB. Interesting.
Yeah. ATR is low, so that means that the chances of your trade working out in your favor is good too, because the liquidity is bad. Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah, that's usually how it is though, right? Like, have you not noticed that when the volume is really low, it has the tendency to just keep going?
True.
Yeah. When the volume is really high, you get stopped out and chopped.
That's true.
Yeah. I hope this plays out for you, bro.
Cheers, man.
Yeah.
What's our risk in a short right here, bro?
Because to be real, I'm pretty unsure about today. I gotta go to the gym today, man. Yeah. I went to go play ball with like one of my buddies the other day, and we were like on the court for like 3 hours.
Wow.
Yeah,
That's
bro.
heavy.
It was bad, man. Like I literally next day my quads were like cramped up. My ankles were fucked, like swollen, and I injured my knee somehow. Yeah.
Sounding like an old man.
Yeah, dude, and my lower back was hurting, so yeah. Maybe, man. Maybe.
Jokes.
I'm in longs here.
Seems premature, to be honest.
I think there's something coming here.
I've shorted this just will continue to move higher.
Gotta retest a little higher here and then come back down.
There's just no velocity in this market right now.
One of those markets with so many speakers today.
Yeah, there it is. There it is.
Watch out, we're right in the gap, and it's been defending it to the other side, between 49 and 45.
Trust me, when price action's like this, bro, it tweaks. It tweaks, bro. You're gonna see like a disgusting pop sometimes.
What did you think of the strategy from that video that I sent you, Amos?
I actually didn't even get to like I watched like literally 2 minutes of it at the beginning. I watched like 2 minutes of it, and all I thought was, yeah, I like this, but I'm gonna watch it later. I got it out by the way. Thank God.
Well, his strategy is very much like 1 or 2 trades a day,
Yeah.
and they're good, man. Like I've been watching that strategy, and it plays. It plays really well.
I need to watch it.
This is actually the setup right here. So
I need to watch it right now. I'm gonna go check it out. Let's see what we got on YouTube, bro.
it's basically the return to this 15-minute fair value gap, and then you're looking for an inverted 1-minute fair value gap to the trend continuation.
Looking to trade U.S. stocks? Meet your
Let's
number
check
one
this out.
choice, Momo. I know the absorption was actually made, so then the only thing I need to wait for is price to disrespect this gap, because I know they will be forced to cover the position.
Oh, I forgot that we were talking on Thursday.
Oh yeah, on top step.
Yeah.
And on this
This is
candle
it.
here, this is the
I hope I just don't blow up.
I moved my meeting, so I'm gonna be there for the full hour.
Nice. This guy moved his meeting to be committed.
Dude, there's gonna be such a vibe.
Yeah, I'm gonna laugh my ass off, bro. I'm gonna be having fun.
I hope they make us like
It's a short
a
video.
regular segment too for Top Step Canada. They might, because they did like Kansas City. They have these 2 traders from Kansas.
Okay, I don't like that Amos like literally backtest this, and he's not replaying it though. He's just this is just him explaining something using the replay option, but he's not actually taking the trades.
But like on his Twitter, like he does post his actual trade returns.
Oh,
Like, he does like one to 2 trades a day.
it's so nice, man.
Very consistent. And he has like a 75% win rate.
I need to start doing that.
Yeah, that's why. I'm like, this dude is doing exactly what you wanted to be doing.
Oh, here's the pump, bro. I don't know if that's not an engulfing right there. I don't know what to tell you, brother.
I think it's a trap, man.
3-bar reversal,
right
no? 1 minute 3-bar
Right
reversal.
up to IB high.
Look, they didn't even like turn to touch that wick. This is what I was talking about. This might rip.
That was IB high, right at 45.
45?
And there's the gap sitting right on top of it.
Yo, if they break over here, I think it's going.
Maybe.
Yeah. It's gonna reprint maybe like another retest of the high here, like 870s.
I'd be shocked if they come within like 4 points of the 15-minute liquidity and not touch it.
Yeah. The 45-minute candle needs to close green, that's why. This is a 3-bar, like it's almost like an 80% chance that it's gonna close green.
Well, it still has 37 minutes on it.
No, 8 minutes.
Oh, you're looking at the 24-hour.
Yeah, no, I'm looking at the 45-minute candle. It's 8 minutes.
Yeah, but you're using the 24-hour session.
Yeah.
On the if you look at regular session, the 45
Yeah.
minutes still has a while to close.
Yeah. My ADHD is like kicking in now. What was I gonna do? I'm actually green on the day, bro.
That's sick.
Yeah. I took a scalp. But it's like I don't really feel comfortable, honestly, with today. My strategy's been useless. Actually, the 45-minute hasn't been useless, but I just haven't been playing it well. That's all.
I think it dumps here. Down to 24s.
After that engulfing? Maybe, yeah.
I might be wrong. I will happily be wrong, but
39s to 49s here, maybe. Buy this one, maybe. Let's see. We got slowed down dojis. 2 dojis that slowed down. One's a little bit increasing. If this one pulls back, I'm gonna jump in long. No pullback. Where's the soaker, guys? Soak that shit.
If you're looking for longs, look for them between like
820s.
24 and 19.
Yeah.
Anything.
Yeah, I'm looking at those ones.
That might not even hold, to be honest. But
Yeah, I didn't like that close on the 1 minute, to be real with you. That close was disgusting. That close was like... That close was slightly stronger, so that means the sellers are still here. Unless they get squeezed here. Very possible.
very possible.
Very possible, yeah. Look, the sellers are much stronger in this corner, too. Yeah. Let me look at the book map again.
In this corner.
There's an order on 800 still. 825s has an order too. It's very light. They pulled all the orders on 775s.
Interesting.
Yeah. Looks like they're making it really hard to read the market today.
I feel like I'm kind of seeing it clearly. Finally, I was not this morning, but
Yeah.
I pulled it out of my ass.
No, I'll be real with you. That first session there from 9:30 to 10:30 was actually hard. The first morning
I was
session.
trading like a little bit pre-market too, like from 9 to 9:30. Dropped
Yo.
my girlfriend off at work at like 7:30.
Oh.
So I was just watching. And I had my charts set to like regular hour only.
Yeah.
And so nothing was happening. I was just sitting there like staring at the screens, not doing anything. I was like,
The 3 dojis here. 3 wicks.
Doji's right here.
Yeah. Let's see if these wicks turn into a 3 green candle setup here on the 1 minute. This could. Looks like continuation's coming. Volume is even lower now. Even lower than before. Wow. Wow, bro. I don't think I'm passing today again.
That's fine. Don't rush it.
Yeah, I'm not trying to rush it. Like, I feel like the other days I was just performing so much better. Maybe because I don't know what the difference is, to be honest with you. Like, what was different about those 3 days versus now? Like last week, let's double check what happened last week. Last week it was just up, right? Like, no.
Up.
Yeah. Now today is like the range is very tight. Yeah, I think I might be done streaming, bro, again. Alright guys, I'm done for streaming today. I'm probably gonna just hop off because the market's super slow, so there's nothing much to see. I almost blew up this account, made it back. So I'm just gonna chill out for the rest of the day, maybe go to the gym, study for a few things, and kind of see like what I could have done better with the market and find the proper levels. Anyways, thanks for watching everyone, and I hope y'all have a great day.